Hi everyone, my name is Arnis.
My name is Lucas.
And today we're going to teach you how to cook some scallops.
Pan roasted scallops with celery root and a coffee cream, green apple caviar and sea grapes.
So, what is the first thing that we need to do?
Can you see?
Yes, so the first thing what we're going to do today is we're going to prepare our plate for the scallops. That's going to be made from ice. So we can move on with making that.
Let's start by preparing our ice plate. Take a balloon and fill it with water. Make sure not to overfill it. You need to be able to press it down.
Now, take the tape.
Place the balloon on a plate and press it down gently with a smaller plate. Secure it with a tape and make sure the shape is even as possible. Place it in the freezer overnight. Once frozen, simply peel off the balloon. It's now ready to use. Let's continue with preparing our seaweed. Seaweed makes a beautiful decoration on our seafood plate. Here's a simple trick. Dip it briefly in the hot water and it releases chlorophyll, turning it into a vibrant green. It's an easy way to elevate the look of your dish.
So we're going to open our scallops now.
Now let's prepare the scallops. I like to use a dining knife to open them. Start by releasing the scallop from the flat shelf first. Crack it open and remove the top shelf. It might give a little resistance. That's actually a good sign. It means the scallop is fresh. Gently remove it from the other shell and clean off the insides. Keep it clean and precise. Make sure not to throw away the roe. It's a delicacy worth trying. Let's roast the scallops. Make sure your pan is properly heated. Add cooking oil and place the scallops in the pan. Season with salt and press them down slightly to ensure good contact with the pan. Cook for about 2 minutes on the one side, then flip. Add butter and let it caramelize. Baste the scallops with a hot butter until perfectly cooked.
We will continue with celery and cappuccino cream that we're going to serve together with the scallops.
Now for the celery root and the coffee cream. Start by peeling the celery root. Once peeled, cut it into evenly sized cubes for consistent cooking. Heat some oil in the pan and slightly brown the celery root. Add a generous amount of butter for flavor and creaminess. Add cream and coffee, cover with cartouche and let it simmer until completely tender. A cartouche is a French technique, simply a circle of baking paper placed directly on the surface to help cook ingredients evenly. Once soft, blend until smooth and creamy. Season with salt. Transfer to a squeeze bottle and set aside. Let's make the green apple caviar. Start by cutting green apples into cubes. Transfer the cubes to blender, add water and a bit of powdered vitamin C and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture, the liquid is what we need. Transfer it to a pot, add agar-agar and bring it to a boil. Pour into a squeeze bottle and cool slightly in a cold water bath. Meanwhile, chill neutral oil in the freezer. Drip the apple mixture into the cold oil to form caviar pearls. Strain and rinse the pearls, then set aside. Let's plate the dish. Start by arranging the blanched seaweed on the plate. Place the ice plate on the top and decorate with more seaweed. Place the scallop shell on top.
Can I do it?
Sure.
Pipe the celery root and the coffee cream into the shell. Place the roasted scallop on top. Add sea grapes and green apple caviar. Finish with edible flowers for a fresh and elegant touch.
Yes, there you go.